The gain and normalized response of the Butterworth filter for different orders are given. Butterworth polynomials in coefficients form is tabulated as given below. The transfer function of the nth order Butterworth filter is given as follows. H, j omega, equals 1 slash square root 1 plus epsilon superscript 2, omega slash omega c, 2n. Where n is the order of the filter. Omega is the RAS filter with cut-off frequency 15.9 kHz and with the passband gain 1.5 and capacitor C equals 0.009 asterisk 10 superscript 3 equals 1 slash 2 pi. Amax equals 1.5 and assume R1 as 10.